So guys, I'll be taking my pulley, or you can use a brush if you don't have a pulley. I'll be brushing my eyebrows going the upper side. So, and after that, today's technique, I'll be using a soap, a bar soap, which is menengai. Then I'll be putting a little bit of water in the soap, then rub the soap, and it will form a white portion. And that white portion is the one that we'll be using today. As you can see, the white portion, take that white portion, then apply on your eyebrows, combing your eyebrows going the upper side. I'm just continuing to apply my white portion that formed in the bar soap. After I'm done applying my white portion, I'll be now going into my eyebrows and press the eyebrows so that it can lay down on the skin. Just press the way I'm pressing. After you are done pressing, let it dry down fast before continuing with the other process of filling in. After it has dried, I'll be taking a brown eye pencil and start drawing a very straight line beneath or under my eyebrows, going backwards to the tail of my eyebrows. Just don't force, don't use a lot of force, just draw it just lighter, don't use a lot of force, and don't press that your eye pencil. After I'm done with the downside, I'll be going the upper side of my eyebrows, and I'll be starting to draw my line just between or in the center of my eyebrows going backwards. Don't start from the front of your eyebrows. And make sure that it connects with the other line that you drew. After I'm done with that, I'll be going in with the dark or black eye pencil and start filling in my eyebrows using some strokes. Don't fill in, just draw some strokes in the areas to see that there's space between your eyebrows or the ears of your eyebrows. Just draw some little strokes that will look like natural hair. Just continue drawing the strokes. As you can see, it looks more natural the way I'm doing it. Just continue filling in your eyebrows. Some strokes. After I'm done filling in, I'll be going in with my Pro Girl concealer that is too brighter shade than my normal skin or my skin or your skin, and this is in the shade or in the color number 3. And I'll be using a very flat and angled brush to clean up my eyebrows. While cleaning my eyebrows, I do start on the middle of my eyebrows going backwards to the tail of my eyebrows. The way that you are seeing. And the product that remains on my brush is the same product that I will be using to clean in the front of my eyebrows. Don't add some products on your eyebrows to clean in the front, because it will be too hard for you to blend in the front. As you can see how it looks. I'll be doing the same on the other side of my eyebrows. After I'm done, now I'll be taking a very fluffy or round brush. Then I'll be blending in my concealer. Because this concealer, if you let it dry, it will be hard for you to blend it in. Just blend using circular motions until it gives you a very smooth look. Now I'll be taking my stick foundation, and now I'll be cleaning the upper side of my eyebrows. And the foundation that I'm using on the upper side of my eyebrows is just my color. Don't use a very bright foundation. After I'm done cleaning, I'll be going in again with my fluffy brush to blend in the foundation. And guys, here goes the final look. And let me know how you feel, or how is the eyebrow tutorial. Just leave your comments down there. I'll be reading them, I'll be replying them. So if you like it, let me know. If you don't like it, also let me know. And if you're a new subscriber, welcome to my channel. And if you are watching this and you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel for more details or for more tutorials on makeup. Love you guys. Bye.